Shortcut number 1. Shift plus delete. The shortcut keys Shift plus delete are used to delete a file permanently. Normally, if we want to delete a file or folder, we just right-click on the folder and then select delete. And a confirmation message pop-ups by clicking yes, your folder will be deleted. But your file or folder is just disappeared from your desktop and it can be restored from the recycle bin. Double-click on the folder and click on Restore. And you can see your folder has been restored. To delete any file or folder permanently, select the item and use the shortcut keys Shift plus Delete and press Yes. Now your folder has been permanently deleted. If you check the recycle bin and it is empty. Shortcut number 2. Window plus D. The shortcut keys Window plus D are used to minimize all the applications that are currently opened in your computer. If you have opened many applications, then it will be time consuming minimizing these applications one by one. To save your time and want to minimize all the applications in a fraction of a second, then use the shortcut keys Window plus D. And you can see you are switched to your desktop. These shortcut keys are very useful when you are working on a file or project that is confidential and you don't want anyone to see what you are doing. Meanwhile, your friend comes, so the best option is to press Window plus D to minimize all the applications and switch to your desktop. Shortcut number 3. F5. Although it is not a combination of keys, it is only one function key, that is F5. The function key F5 is used to refresh your computer. It is better to refresh your computer by using the key F5 rather than the one we normally do. If you have opened any browser and press the function key F5, it will refresh the currently opened page. Shortcut number 4. Control plus Alt plus the arrow keys. These shortcut keys are used to rotate your computer screen. If you press Control plus Alt plus the right arrow key, it will rotate the computer screen to the right side. Now I am pressing Control plus Alt plus down arrow key. Now Control plus Alt plus left arrow key. And to get the normal screen, press Control plus Alt plus the up arrow key. Just learn it for fun and surprise your friends. Shortcut number 5. Window plus left or right arrow keys. These shortcut keys are used to equally split your computer screen between two applications. To equally split your computer screen between two applications, first open your first application and then press Window plus right arrow key. Then open your second application and press Window plus left arrow keys. Now you can see your computer screen has been equally splitted between the two applications, Microsoft Word and Spreadsheet. These are the shortcut keys which I often use. As a freelance translator, on one side I listen to the audio file and have a full control over the audio file, fast forward, backward, stop, and etc. And on the other side, I transcribe this audio file in a Word document. Shortcut number 6. Control plus Shift plus N. When we want to create a folder, usually we right click on the desktop and from the menu we select New and then clicking on Folder. That is how we create a new folder. But did you know the shortcut for creating a new folder? The shortcut keys Control plus Shift plus N will help you to create a new folder. Now you just need to type your folder name and press Enter. There you are. The same can be applied when you want to create a new folder inside another folder. Shortcut number 7. Control plus D. When we know the shortcut for creating a folder, we should also know the shortcut for deleting a folder or a file. To delete a file or a folder, select the folder first you want to delete and then press Ctrl plus D. Click Yes and the folder has gone. Shortcut number 8. Window plus W. To take a full screenshot of your computer screen, use the combination of Window plus W keys, and you will see a small pop-up menu at the bottom right corner of your computer screen. Click on Full Screen Snip. There you are, your screenshot is ready. You can use pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, roller, cropping tool for editing and finally save the screenshot anywhere in your computer. Shortcut number 9. Window plus T. When you hold on the Window key and then press T, it will switch focus to the taskbar. And then you can use the right and left arrow keys to switch from one file to another. Shortcut number 10. Create your own shortcut. You can create your own shortcut for a file, folder, or an application. Let's assume we want to create a shortcut key for code blocks. To do so, press and hold the Shift key and then right-click on the icon of code blocks. Then select Properties. You can see the shortcut key for this application is None. Click on the text box and press any letter from the keyboard and that will be your shortcut key for code blocks. Let me press the letter C from the keyboard. Now my shortcut for this application will be Ctrl plus Alt plus C. Once you are done, click on Apply and click OK. Now you have assigned a shortcut key for code blocks. Now if you want to open these, use the shortcut keys Ctrl plus Alt plus C. And you can see your application is opened. You can also set a shortcut key for a file or a folder that you often use. For example, these are the books which I read every day. These files are located inside the folder called Java Books, which is a subfolder of Learning folder located inside the local drive E in this PC. Now, this is a long path and it is time consuming to get to this folder. So, let me assign a shortcut for these files and folder. To do so, right-click on the desktop, select New and click on Shortcut. Now, browse for the location of your files and folder, expand this PC, scroll down for the local drive E where my files and folder is located. Click on this to expand. Now, scroll down to find and locate your folder. The folder which I am looking for is a subfolder of Learning folder. Click on this to expand and find your folder here. My files are inside the folder called Java Books. Click on this. Once you find the location of your files and folder, click OK. Click Next and Finish. Now, an icon has been created for the folder. You can access those files by double-clicking on this icon. And if you want to assign a shortcut key for this folder, right-click on the folder, select Properties, Click in the text box near to the label Shortcut key. Now press your favorite key as a shortcut from the keyboard. Let me press F from the keyboard. Now my shortcut for this folder will be Ctrl plus Alt plus F. Once you are done, click on Apply and click OK. Now, if you want to open this folder, use the shortcut keys Ctrl plus Alt plus F. And you can see your folder is opened.